To replace light bulb in my Bosch kgu32124 fridge freezer, how does one remove the cover?
Sometimes appliance issues that you think will be really complicated end up being easy to fix. The appliance technician I'm going to connect you with knows all the tricks and shortcuts. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
The bulb has blown. I have a new bulb. I can't see how to get the cover off and don't want to break it.
Is there anything else the appliance technician should be aware of?
No.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the appliance technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Copy and paste the following link into your browser: http://www.boschhome.co.uk/customer-service/download-instruction-manuals.html. A number equals kgu32124GB/02. This takes you to the instruction manual IU, which you can download, then check out. Diagram 14, instruction page 31 under minor problems, which gives you the method required. Would you now kindly rate the information given by selecting from the star rating system at the top of the page? Once done, all further questions are free of charge. Thank you for using JA and have a great evening, Ian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.